Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to easily reset your Toyota Camry's maintenance light. This simple process can save you a trip to the mechanic. First, insert your key into the ignition. Then, turn it to the first position, which is the accessory or on setting, but make sure not to start the engine. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset sequence we are about to perform. Now, for the next step, you'll need to be a little quick. Press and hold the odometer trip button located on your dashboard. While keeping that button pressed, turn your ignition key to the second position. Remember, the goal is to turn the ignition on without actually starting the engine. This action initiates the maintenance light reset sequence, so timing is key here. Keep holding that odometer button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash, and you might even hear a soft beeping sound. This indicates that the reset is in progress. After a few moments, the light should completely disappear. Once it's off, you can release the odometer button, signifying the completion of this crucial step. Finally, start your Toyota Camry's engine to confirm that the maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If for any reason the light comes back on, don't worry. Simply repeat these 4 easy steps 1 or 2 more times. This straightforward process ensures your dashboard is clear after routine service, giving you peace of mind on the road. It's a handy trick to know.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.